to Captain. No smoking. N-O-S-M-O-K-I-N-G. No smoking.
These images behind me come from a variety of different museums. These are claimed missing links. And by the way, you don't just need the missing links going from the monkeys to the people, or they like the word primates to the people, because that makes it better. They used to claim that man evolved from the orangutan, but they had to stop stating that because we began finding ancient orangutans and they were 15 feet tall or more. But these are images of claimed missing links. Go ahead and just take a look at these, and I want to pose the question to you. I want you to take this serious. Just think about it a little bit at the college level. So 3 questions that I think are probably the most important questions you could ever ask in this place. I mean, if you were taking a trip just overseas for 2 weeks, you'd pack your bags, you would plan ahead. But the questions of who are we, where do we come from, what happens next? And I submit to your hands that all of the major Western institutions, this behind me is the answer. And by the way, you don't just need monkeys becoming men, you also have to answer the question, what led to the monkeys? And that one's actually worse and harder. This is what they're presenting you at the universities. Here is a couple more of them. This is a Lucy display. Here's another one over here. This is real. This is what's actually presented. And I want to pose to your hands, no matter who you are, how many monkeys, or let's use the technical term, how many primates, how many of these things, how many monkey men would we have to breed? How many monkeys would you have to breed of any type that you want before you got people? Even a child would chuckle at that question. You know why? Because it's a foolish question. I would compare what we're teaching with the Bigfoot people, but humbly and respectfully, that would be an insult to the Bigfoot people.